Hey guys, Sade here with CorePal Fitness, and this is your 8-minute back workout, part of the 8-day series. Now grab a pair of weights. You can even grab 2 sets if you want, one heavy, one light. We're gonna start with our first movement here, which is going to be a back fly. So one leg forward, lean a little bit so you're on your toes here, really feeling this. You can grab your heavier set of weights if you would like. Lean forward, the arms are almost touching. I'm gonna actually show from this angle, guys. And you're gonna lift up, pulling from those elbows. So lift up, pulling from the elbows, feel those shoulder blades squeeze together, okay? And you can separate your legs more than me. This is just limited space. But you can go more if you want, really lifting up those arms, pulling from those elbows. Feeling that full length. We're going to do a few more before we switch our feet. Go ahead and switch your lead leg, whichever leg you have in front. Keep pulling from the elbows. It's like a giant reverse hug here. Feeling that strength. You got a few more. Keep lifting with me. Keep feeling it. Last one. And quick little break. Shake it out. Keep your heavy weights here if they're working for you. We're going to bring the feet together this time. And this is going to be a back fly to 5th position. So lean forward, engage the abs. Hands come down here. You ready? Roll those shoulders back. And let's go. We pull into a fly and then bring it up to 5th. Come back down, pull it into a fly. This is 5th position from bar if you're wondering. Lift it back up. So really squeezing the back and rising up. Working the back in multiple ways here. Feel that strength. Do you feel strong? I hope you do. Keep lifting here. And these movements just really wake up the body for the ones to come. Continuing with that really strong back here. The breath of exhaling on the hardest part of the movement. Just a few more. This is going to be your last one. Good. Shake it out. Now, from here, I encourage you to go to a lighter weight, your lighter one, if you have it. Up to you, but it's going to help. With one leg forward, one leg back. Now this is really important here, okay? My same side arm is gonna stay down, my other one is gonna lift by my ear. You got it? This is quadruped raise. So hold it in this position with me to start. You got it? Beautiful. And we're gonna start with just raising the arm here. Just the arm rises up and down. This also works the shoulders. Your free hand is just isolated. You can lean forward a little more if you want. And just really feel those muscles down the back working. Okay, if you would like to, if you have the balance, see if you can maybe lift that back leg up a little bit off the floor. Even higher here. Okay, if you're able to control it, lifting it higher, that's working the lower back. We're gonna get ready to hold to finish here. Next one, hold to finish. You can keep the leg on the floor if you want. Holding this position, really strong. And And check it out. Other side, side 2. Let's get into it the same way. Leaning forward, sweep one arm up here, guys. Start with just the arm. Let's go. We drop it down and you lift it up. Really slow and controlled here. Exhale as you lift it. Breathing is everything in this. Beautiful, keeping it going. Maybe try lift the leg up a little bit. Notice one side might be tighter than the other here. That's okay. But squeeze from your glutes, squeeze from the abs as well. Okay, you can lift up a little higher if you want, if the balance allows it. You're gonna get ready to hold. You ready? Holding. You can have that leg down if you feel like you get more into the arms. Breathe. And little release. Lovely job, guys. Moving on here. We're moving on. Check it out. Bent swimmers. So it's gonna be like this. The legs hip distance apart. Lean forward a little bit, engage your abs. Pull your arms back, elbows back like you're ready to fly here. Elbows stay lifted, and we go and extend at a diagonal past the ears and back. Long and back. Lovely job, guys. Keeping with this movement here. Sticking with this movement, sinking those hips a little further back. Okay, so if you're looking from the side, it's like this. I'm sweeping my arms, I'm squeezing, I'm breathing. Exhaling as the arms go out. You notice I didn't tell you to switch weights for a reason. This one still can be quite difficult. We're gonna get ready to hold the arms. You ready? Hold them out, hold extended, squeeze, breathe, feel that back, feel the muscles in it, supporting you here. Keep holding. And release. Amazing job, guys. Take a quick little stretch with me. Trust me on this. Again, if this is your last workout of the day, I'm gonna link up another stretch for you to do, but minimum do this with me, please. It will help you out. Guess depending on the weights you use, you can really feel this one, right? This workout. Okay, guys, so remember there is an additional stretch linked there for you. Let me know in the comments how you did. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already, so you know every time there's a new workout, fitness tips, or recipe there for you. And I will see you in the next one.